Morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, June 3rd. High pressure will continue through today. As a result, it'll be very warm. Record temperatures today and as well as tomorrow's will be in southwest Florida by tomorrow, and these will be the hottest days of the year so far. Look for record temperature. Yeah, again, we had record temperatures yesterday, and we'll have even more widespread record temperatures today, as well as more tomorrow. Afternoon thunderstorms are expected, very isolated, but in the central mountains this afternoon. We'll have some strong gusty outflows with those. And then there will be some tomorrow as well, to a lesser degree, particularly just along the Wyoming border. Kind of as that trough that kind of moves through. Breezy over the weekend as we have a continued flow from a system off the coast, but it will be cooler as, like I said, that system's moving through today and Friday. As it goes through, it will leave us with a little bit cooler temperatures, but it'll still be above normal, particularly on Saturday, and it will be about 4 degrees above normal on Sunday, and then go back up to about that 8 to 12 degrees above normal on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Here is the high pressure that's over us currently. This will continue just to move east, and this system here will kind of flatten out the ridge a little bit and then kind of move over the central mountains today and bring in just a slight chance of thunderstorms across the area. Heat is going to be the big picture for today and tomorrow. Record temperatures, particularly day widespread, and tomorrow not as quite as much as today, but both will have quite a few records. Thunderstorms, as I mentioned, the central mountains for today, and then the thunderstorms move to the Wyoming border for Friday afternoon. It continues to be breezy to windy on Saturday. Is going to be Friday will be breezy, but not as strong as Saturday. Saturday will probably need a lake wind advisory for American Falls, and maybe a wind advisory for the Arco Desert. So it looks, pretty windy, and throughout the area on Saturday. The RHs will be pretty low, and then continued breeziness on Sunday. Monday, the winds back off a little bit, but it could potentially come back up on Tuesday with another trough clipping our northern edge. Here's all the records that happened yesterday. We had 2 in Stanley and Chalice, then we tied 3, Pocatello, Idaho Falls, and Burley. All the green means tied. And then here's the forecast for Thursday. Today, all of these are records, forecasted records. You can see the previous record here. And then on Friday, these are forecasts for ties of records, and only Idaho Falls isn't forecasted to be a record, but you can see it's really close. The previous was 93, and there's the 91 for Rexburg as a record. So very warm, and looking at record temperatures again today and tomorrow. Here's our temperatures forecasted for today, Friday. And you see it drops a good 5 to 8 degrees. 5 to 10 degrees across the area on Saturday as that cold front kind of moves through. It's a weak cold front, but these are still above normal. I think about 75, 76 is the norm for Pocatello. And then you can see, again, it just gets much closer to the norm on Sunday, and then it warms back up a little bit on Monday. Humidities are relatively low. You can see below 15%, the deep dark red. That's for today. Here's Friday, not as bad. As that cold front goes through, it has a little bit of moisture increase with it, but then you can see we're back down with that really strong wind to the deep red again in some areas, but overall still not really bad. And then just continues to be really, overall dry. You can see on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Today, Friday afternoon, will start fairly breezy. You can see that, and then it gets even breezier. Here's the wind advisory area likely, and then American Falls will likely need a lake wind, potentially a lake wind on Friday too, but that's kind of marginal at this point. And then there's your breezy conditions on Sunday as well, and a little bit too on Monday. We are seeing a response a little bit in the rivers overall. If you look at this site here, shows all the snowtails have already melted out in the central mountains, with the exception of Vienna. That's just an inch or two left. But you can see it needs about zero point 0.7 to reach action stage. It will not likely get there, um, just due to the fact that there's no snow really left across the area. It's just the snow left is above the snowtails, and you can kind of see the ones that are responding as Trail Creek and the North Fork. But again, those are not even near action stage. Well, getting closer, but um, likely not hit action stage either. So just something to watch in case it would potentially hit action stage at Haley. We'll see the continued response today and tomorrow with those extremely warm temperatures. But again, it doesn't look like there's enough snow left. You can see here for the SWE, snow water equivalent, just showing 2 and 1% left. So for the most part, they are melted out. High pressure will continue through today as summary. That will continue to bring that very warm temperatures today as well as tomorrow as we kind of go to a southwest flow as ahead of that the cold front moving through. That will move through Friday into Saturday. These will be the hottest days of the year today and Friday, and then afternoon thunderstorms on central mountains this afternoon. We'll have some gusty outflow winds, potentially up to 50 miles an hour, maybe a little bit stronger with those. And then tomorrow we'll have a chance of thunderstorms as well along the Wyoming border, and again they'll have some gusty outflows, but not quite as much. And then we'll look for just a breezy weekend with temperatures still above normal, 8 to 12. Particularly Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. By Sunday, we're trying to approach normal temperatures, so a little bit of a cool down from what we've seen yesterday, and we'll see today as well. That concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.